With tax day in the air, it's a prime time to explore how you, as homeowners, can maximize your tax deductions, especially with nearly a quarter of you eyeing major renovations this year. Today, I'm getting into 7 home improvements to lighten your wallet. So let's get to it. I'm Karrie Hill, lawyer turned realtor, and I offer a value package that no other Marin agent can match. Plus, I've lived in Marin County for nearly 30 years and raised 3 kids here. So if you're looking to buy or sell a house in Marin, I love to help people just like you make a smart move. Just email me. Let's get into the 7 ideas. But first, a little disclaimer. I am not an accountant. You should check with a professional to tailor this advice to your unique situation. You know, the fine print can determine whether these work for you. 1. Energy efficient upgrades. Starting with the green side of things, energy efficient upgrades are not just good for the planet, they're potentially good for your wallet too. From January 1st, 2023 onward, certain eco-friendly improvements could snag you an energy efficient home improvement credit with savings up to $3,200. Picture getting back 30% on eligible expenses for projects like home energy audits, possibly earning you a $150 credit, guiding you on energy leaks and safety hazards, aiming up to a 30% reduction in energy bills, upgrading to Energy Star's top-tier exterior windows and skylights, potentially crediting you up to $600. Installing biomass stoves that meet efficiency requirements could land you a hefty $2,000 credit. But remember, specifics matter, from the auditor's qualifications to the thermal efficiency of the biomass stoves. It's about making smarter choices that benefit you today and secure a greener tomorrow. 2. Clean energy upgrades. Speaking of the green, let's talk about the residential clean energy credit. There's a world of benefits for homeowners who shift towards renewable energy sources with no dollar limit for most properties. Imagine reducing your reliance on traditional power grids with solar water heaters, not just easing the load on conventional heaters, but potentially extending their lifespan. Geothermal heat pumps, an efficient alternative for managing your home's temperature, promising a return on investment in 5 to 10 years. Battery storage technology, ensuring your home stays powered during outages. These clean energy solutions are not only easy to maintain, but could significantly lower your bills over time. 3. Historic homes. Got a love for history? The Federal Historic Rehabilitation Tax Credit is here for homeowners revitalizing historic buildings. Preserving the past has its rewards, potentially easing the cost of bringing timeless charm up to modern standards. Here's some sample projects. Pipe upgrades. Upgrading or replacing aging pipes not only prevents water damage, but may also earn you a tax credit. Structural enhancements. Replacing compromised structural elements like beams or posts with materials that match or surpass the originals in strength could qualify you for a credit. Staircase replacement. Completely renewing a deteriorating staircase with materials similar or compatible with the original can enhance safety and potentially qualify you for a tax credit. 4. Medically necessary. Homeowners can potentially deduct medically necessary upgrades as medical expenses, enhancing accessibility for those with disabilities or their dependents. Deductibility hinges on the improvement's impact on your home value. If your value increases, you can deduct the cost minus the value increase. If there's no value increase, you can deduct the full cost. Such investments make homes safer and more accessible, which is crucial for aging in place. Some sample projects include alert systems. Install modified smoke detectors and water leak detectors to assist those with disabilities. Grading for accessibility. Leveling the ground enhances access, bathroom safety. Adding grab bars and railings in bathrooms aids in preventing falls. 5. Home office repairs. For For those of you using a dedicated space in your home as your primary place of business, there's good news. Certain repairs directly related to your home office might just lower your tax bill. However, it's essential to distinguish between repairs, which could be deductible, and improvements, which generally aren't deductible, but could be beneficial down the line as capital improvements. Here's a look at what might qualify. Security systems. Enhance your home office security to protect business assets, potentially reducing your taxable income. Electrical fixes. Tackle damaged outlets and wiring to boost safety and qualify for deductions. Window upgrades. Upgrade to dual or triple pane windows to better insulate and quiet your home office, offering both tax deductions and increased home value. 6. Rental properties. Now for the landlords among us. Maintaining the portions of your home that you rent out is critical, not just for the tenant satisfaction, but also for the health of your property and potential tax benefits. Here's what you need to know. Leak repairs. Tackling leaks in tenant areas prevents mold and structural issues, with the bonus of deducting repair costs from rental income for tax benefits. Insulation improvements. Sealing drafts and updating insulation enhances tenant comfort and efficiency, also reducing your taxable rental income. Vent maintenance. Regular air vent inspections improve air quality and temperature control, offering potential tax savings through proactive property maintenance. 7. Capital improvements. What are capital improvements? Capital improvements go beyond the routine fix-up. They are investments in your home that boost its value, extend its lifespan, or adapt it for new uses. Unlike quick fixes, like sealing a leak, capital improvements are about long-term value. However, it's essential to note that not all improvements count. For instance, the cost of removable upgrades like carpeting might not qualify. Here's where it gets interesting for homeowners. The value of these qualifying improvements can be added to the base cost of your home. This adjustment, known as cost basis, comes into play when you sell your property. By increasing your home's cost basis, you effectively decrease the profit for capital gain taxes, potentially saving you a significant amount of taxes. Yet it's critical to navigate the tax implications wisely, considering both the benefits and the need for careful record keeping. Sample projects that may pay off include an HVAC upgrade. Modernizing your HVAC boosts home efficiency, comfort, and future real estate value while enhancing air quality and long-term cost savings. Attic insulation. Adding insulation at approximately $1.80 per square foot reduces energy bills and protects your roof, maintaining your home's structural integrity. Water softeners. Installing a water softener mitigates hard water damage, prolonging plumbing and appliance life, and increasing your home's value. So, as you've heard in this video, it's clear that home improvements carry the dual promise of enhancing your living spaces and offering financial benefits through tax advantages. Again, before embarking on a project, absolutely consult with tax professionals. Remember, the world of home improvements and tax deductions is vast and varied. If this information has been the tiniest bit helpful to you, please subscribe, as that goes a long way to motivate me to keep providing content. Thank you for watching and have a great day.